Hello, I'm Barry from the IBM Sustainability support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run the module analysis tool in version 7.0.3 of Engineering Requirements Management. The module analysis tool, or MAT for short, is used to check a module's structural integrity and the artifacts contained within the module. First, go to the RM admin page, click on Debug, L3 Services, and select the module analysis tool from the drop-down. If the Debug tab is not available, you do not have the required JAS admin privileges to perform this operation. To help us narrow down the scope of the analysis, select the project, component, and configuration where your module exists. You can see in my project, the name of the project is BR Opt-in 1. The component is BR Opt-in 1, and the local configuration is BR Opt-in 1 initial stream. Select that in the module analysis tool. Never click on all modules unless specifically instructed to do so by IBM support. This will analyze all of the modules in the configuration and will be a resource-intensive operation. Instead, click on List Modules. Find your module in the list and click Analyze. The result will show if the module structure is okay or if it has failed and needs to be repaired. A failed analysis will look something like this. In order to save the analysis, you can open it in a new tab. Save the web page so you can attach it to the support case. Thank you for joining us to learn about running the module analysis tool in Engineering Requirements Management. If you need more assistance, use the links in the description to access the product documentation.